This is Kyle.
Ah.
He's filming me, my life, my work.
Okay. I didn't know that was today.
Yes, we're filming Chris so he can share his good practices.
Good practices? That's great. Don't worry, Kyle, this will be quick.
I don't want to effectively let the competition nibble away at us little by little, but I'm going to continue to target large groups who can invest. So let me summarize what is important to you. We want this project to be completed as soon as possible for you and for us, and we will look for a solution. Who's the greatest?
And what do the project managers think?
Well, I was going to see them. In fact, I'm going there now.
We are not magicians, Chris. No way equals no way.
Yes. We actually don't have a lot of time. Should we just get started? Find your proposal expensive. Leave it to me. I'll get it sorted. Your proposal is still expensive, especially compared to our current solution.
And I'm not even talking about the delays.
We don't talk about it.
Actually, yes. Let's talk about deadlines.
See? Finally, I like prospecting.
Liar.